Would you like to reduce your supplier base by 30% and take 4 weeks out of your build schedule? The global supply chain has never been more challenging, and the automation market has seen extended lead times across a wide range of components. Recently, an SMC customer in the automotive sector had seen an uplift in demand for their machines. Unfortunately, they're finding it increasingly difficult to meet their customer expectations in terms of delivery and timescale. By working closely with SMC, we were able to forward order stock and build a series of gas, water and pneumatic sub-assemblies for the customer, fully tested to the customer's specification and drawings with UK-built, ISO-accredited quality levels. This gave the customer confidence to then focus on their specialised technology areas and concentrate on where their engineers can add real value to the business. This partnership approach with SMC took 4 weeks off their build schedule, simplifying and strengthening their supply chain by reducing their supplier base by 30% and their bought out parts by 75%, making logistics simple and decreasing risk on the project. Whether it's control cabinets, sub-assemblies, backplates or motor and drive packages, contact SMC and let's see how we can help you. Follow us on LinkedIn to find out more information about the automation industry and our latest products.